Breakfast, often deemed the most important meal of the day, varies drastically between Britain and America, each offering a unique culinary experience. Picture a traditional British breakfast spread, laden with crispy bacon, succulent sausages, grilled tomatoes, baked beans, and the ever-essential black pudding, all sizzling on a plate. The warm aroma wafts through the air, inviting you to indulge. Enjoyed alongside toasted bread or a buttery croissant, each bite is a hearty start that reflects the British value of sustenance right from the morning. On the other side of the Atlantic, the American breakfast boasts its own enticing array of delights. Imagine fluffy pancakes, stacked high, drizzled with rich maple syrup that flows down their golden sides, complementing crispy bacon and scrambled eggs. The sweet scent of cinnamon wafts from buttery French toast, enticing diners to relish every moment. The American morning feels vibrant and energetic, with breakfast burritos and smoothies entwining flavor and convenience, catering to a fast-paced lifestyle. Both breakfasts have their loyal adherents, each claiming superiority. Advocates of the British breakfast savor its heartiness and variety, believing it's an experience that delivers comfort and satisfaction. The combination of savory and slightly sweet components creates a balance resembling a manageable feast that lingers pleasantly. Meanwhile, American breakfast enthusiasts argue for its eclectic approach, emphasizing versatility with lighter options like oatmeal, fruit, and yogurt, alongside traditional indulgences. This adaptability makes American breakfast splendidly accommodating to fit fluctuating appetites, morning routines, and dietary preferences. In the ongoing debate over which breakfast reigns supreme, personal preference often plays a pivotal role. While British breakfast champions may argue that their culinary titan brings layers of flavors and textures that solidify its place in the culinary landscape, American breakfast aficionados would counter with the delightful balance of sweet and savory options that captures the imagination. Ultimately, the best breakfast largely resides within individual taste buds, influenced by cultural backgrounds and morning rituals. Regardless of allegiance, both British and American breakfasts encapsulate the joy of gathering to share food, each nourishing not just the body, but the spirit as well. They invite friends and families to slow down and indulge in a moment of togetherness, creating memories fueled by delicious flavors. In the grand tapestry of breakfast, both traditions hold a cherished place, nourishing countless souls across the globe.